These trails here in Chicago are pretty cool. It parallels the lake. So right now I'm not pedaling. And we'll take this thing down. Lakefront trail. There we go. Pass these guys up. See you later. As you can tell, it's windy here in Chicago, hence the Windy City. We got wind and we got windy conditions. That's what we call it, Windy City. For those of you who don't think this bike can get up to 24 miles an hour, let me show you. Right, here we are at full speed. Don't forget the wind is going in our face. We're at 20 right now. Yeah, the top speed I got this thing at was 24 miles an hour. Right now we're going pretty fast for a bicycle. Such a beautiful day outside. Hey, how's it going?